Oh, okay. Hi everyone. We are playing Piggy today, and I wanted to do this. So first, I downloaded Bandicam. It didn't work. I tried to get Screen-O-Matic. It didn't work, and now I am trying NCH recorder. So this will be a no commentary. So it is really hard to tell when I'm recording. So I am recording right now. So we are going to do plant. I am going to get the good ending. I probably won't do the true ending because a lot of people have done the true ending already. So there's basically no point because I won't get that many views. And I am very, very sorry for not uploading. There has been a cut on my usage on electronics, so I am very sorry. um I understand if you unsubscribed, but I also don't appreciate that you unsubscribed, but I understand. But we are just going to do it, so I'm gonna shut up right now because this is no commentary. Okay, we did it. That took, I think, 7 minutes and 28 seconds. Correct. So we are going to go to the good ending. So I am still on record. This will take a while, so I might just pause it right now. Okay, so I believe, yeah, so I'm still on the same, so I am going to walk to George. Sorry, if you wanted to see that, I'm sorry. I didn't really think of that, and I thought it was too late. So let me just walk over to George. This is the good ending. I got it already. I completed it like the first day it got out. So I'm just gonna let you look. So I'm gonna just be quiet right now. And that's Piggy. Thank you, Minitoon, for making this game. Minitoon, you have made a great game. Thank you. Thank you for making this game, Minitoon. You really worked hard on it. I appreciate you making it for us. It is a very good game. Thank you, Minitoon, for making this game. It is an awesome game. Thank you, I just thank you so much. It's very amazing. Thank you so much, Minitoon, for making this. It's a very good game. Thank you so much. It is perfect. There is some mistakes, but still, it is a great game. Thank you so much, Minitoon, for making this. I know Minitoon will not see this. First, I will not, even if he did, I wouldn't know because he doesn't have a YouTube account. And yeah, but still, Minitoon, thank you for making this game. It's very amazing. At first, I didn't really like it, but then after I started playing it more, and it's awesome. Thank you, Minitoon. Thank you so much. It's amazing. I haven't got all the skins, so, but thank you, Minitoon, for making this. It's the perfect game out there. It's my favorite game, actually. First, it was Murder Mystery, then Jailbreak and all that. But now Piggy is my favorite game. I wonder how long the scripting took, and I know it took a very long time, but thank you, Minitoon, so much for making this game, because I'm not gonna stop playing it until it gets deleted. I'm not saying it's gonna get deleted, but I'm never gonna stop playing this game. Thank you so much, Minitoon. You are a great person, Minitoon. Thank you so much for making this game. It's amazing. Thank you so much, Minitoon. And that is the good ending. Again, thank you, Minitoon, for making this game. It is fabulous. It's wonderful. And as you see, I almost got all the skins. I just need to get Pony through Billy and Torture to get all the skins. But thank you, Minitoon, for making this game. I love the game. thank you so much. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. And goodbye, everyone.